Welcome to Dar es Salaam, the haven of peace. Today, we begin an immersive walking tour through the rhythmic heart of Tanzania's largest city. Our journey starts at the Kivukoni Fish Market, a visceral sensory experience where the city's pre-colonial maritime traditions still thrive. Every morning at dawn, the golden hour begins as the night's catch is auctioned off in a flurry of energy and Swahili calls. Supporting thousands of livelihoods, this market is the economic lifeblood and the most rhythmic part of the city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. In the cooking zones, the aroma of fresh seafood and kachumbari salad fills the air, offering a true taste of coastal life. It's a place of incredible scale, where over 12,000 people pass through these gates every single day. As we leave the chaos of the market behind, we step into a different era of Dar es Salaam's complex history. Standing tall on the harbor front is the Azania Front Lutheran Church, an architectural silhouette that defines the skyline. Built by German missionaries over 100 years ago, its distinct Bavarian style serves as a stark reminder of the colonial era. Inside, the stern Gothic aesthetic provides a cool, quiet refuge from the tropical heat and the city's hum. Today, it remains a vibrant center of faith, home to world-class Swahili choirs whose music often spills out into the streets. From here, you can see how the city has grown from a small fishing village into a major global commercial hub. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. We now move inland toward the intersection of Samora Avenue and Maktaba Street, the historic center of the city. Here stands the Askari Monument, a tribute to the African soldiers who fought in the British campaigns of World War I. Unveiled in 1927, this bronze figure marks what is historically considered the exact center of downtown Dar es Salaam. The pedestal features a poignant dedication by Rudyard Kipling, honoring those who fought for their country. Inscriptions in both English and Swahili ensure that the legacy of the Carrier Corps is remembered by all who pass by. This site itself has layers of history, once home to a statue of a German governor before being reclaimed and rewritten. It stands as a silent witness to the city's transformation from colonial outpost to a bustling modern metropolis. We've only just scratched the surface of this vibrant city. In part 2, we'll dive deeper into the local markets and hidden gems. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.